Donald Trump and the United States government are literally telling you which stocks to buy again. Earlier this month, the White House released Donald Trump's whole stock portfolio, showing that he's been loading up on names like Dell, Intel, and tons of others. But before any of his stock purchases ever became public, he was giving speeches saying go buy a Dell and how great Intel were. Now, Intel is up like 500% since they originally bought, and Dell just got a $9.7 billion defense contract, which is shooting the stock up over $70 a share tonight, giving them more than a 200% gain on the year so far. And now today, reports are coming out about the Trump administration funding US drone companies. And who would have guessed that Donald Trump Jr. already backs a drone firm, Powerus, which is set to go public later this summer and actually sits on the board at one of the most prominent companies, Unusual Machines. Now, obviously, with this kind of news coming out today, both these stocks are running like crazy, but that didn't stop insiders from loading millions of dollars in the UMAC $30 calls and another $800,000 in the ONDS $30 calls for January. These $30 calls for January actually had $7.6 million dropped into them in March, and even though at one point they were down over $4 million on this, they're still holding the full position and buying more. Yes or no, do you think Trump is going to pump his son's biggest holdings?